Hi, welcome to ASP Mathematical and Dynamic Tutorial Center. Today we will discuss about the division. So most of the time our students they are getting a lot of difficulties to solve the division problem. But today I will teach you, just you listen carefully, you can get good understanding to solve the problems. First problem, 1 by 3 divide 2. So this meaning 1 over 3 divide 2. So if you see any fraction number in the numerator and any real number in the denominator, you have to change the number, the 3 come to the denominator. So just you see 1 over 3 into 2. This is the meaning. So next step, you have to multiply 2 into 3, 6. This is the answer, 1 over 6 answer for this problem. So second one, minus 3 divide 4 over 5. So what is the meaning? Negative 3 divide 4 over 5. So when you see any real number in the numerator, but at the same time if you get any fraction in the denominator, just you want to write the reciprocal of the denominator, because reciprocal of division is a multiplication. So you have to write negative 3, because in the denominator it is a fraction. In the fraction you have to interchange multiplication into 5 over 4, like which you have to write. This is a very important step. Any fraction in the denominator, you have to write reciprocal of the denominator. Then the divide also, it will change the multiplication. Now you have to multiply, because it is a multiplication. So directly you multiply the two numbers, then divided by. So minus 3 into 5, 15 divided by 4. This is the answer for second problem. So third one, the two numbers is the fraction. First one, third problem, 5 by 4 divide 3 over 2. You can read over or by, any you can read. So here this is the meaning, 5 over 4 divided by 3 over 2. This is the meaning of the divide. So just you see, in the numerator also fraction, in the denominator also fraction. So but mostly you have to concentrate in the denominator. If you see any fraction, you have to write the reciprocal of the denominator, and also at the same time it will change in the division is a multiplication. For example, 5 over 4 into 2 over 3. Just you see 3 over 2, but you have to write 2 over 3, but in the divide it will change the multiplication. Now you can directly multiply, otherwise if any possibilities to divide or simplify means you can simplify. Here it is possible, 1 to 2, then 2 into 2, 4. So just here 1, you multiply 5 into 1, 5, divided by 2 into 3, 6. This is the answer, because here no possibilities to simplify these two numbers. So this is a final answer for this problem. So this is the third one. Fourth one, fourth problem, one over 2 divide 1 over 2. So here this is the meaning, 1 over 2 divide 1 over 2. So here also it is a reciprocal of, because if we are getting the fraction number, you have to interchange the reciprocal of denominator. So 1 over 2 into 2 over 1. So here you can simplify 1, 1. So 1 by 1 into 1 by 1. So if you multiply 1 over 1 equal to 1. This is the basic, but if you know, then you can simplify directly, you can divide. So it will also 1 divided by 1 equal to 1. If you know very well, then you can solve. Otherwise, what is your basic procedure you have to follow, then you will get the same answer. It is no issue, but you have to try to solve. But basically, if you know very well, then you can solve directly in the first system. This is the first. So what I am teaching you, just you see, one number is a fraction, one real number. So in the real number, if you come in the denominator, how you have to solve? This is the first problem. So at the same time, second problem, it is the real number in the numerator, but the fraction is the denominator. How you have to solve the problems? So the two number is a fraction in the numerator and denominator. This problem how you have to solve? But the same number in the division means directly you have to and simplify, then you will get the final answer. But here, what is the main concept? Basically, if you get any fraction in the denominator, you have to interchange. That means the reciprocal of the denominator, you simplify, then you will get the answer. This is the main concept of division problem. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Tomorrow we will discuss next problems. Thank you so much.